Hello everyone, I'm Sid Shivnath. In the last few months, I've been experimenting with new robots and new programming languages. In this video, I would like to introduce you to the Makeblock mBot, who's on a collision course with Lego Mindstorms Tricky! Woohoo! I hope you all enjoyed that little video of how these two very different robots behave very similarly, whether they're avoiding each other or they're avoiding these walls. Now I'll show you one of the programs I wrote for these robots. Alright, so here is the program. So when the program starts, the Tricky's motors are going to be set to coast at stop, so it'll slide smoothly. The movement motors are going to be set to A and B with 30% power. And then it'll start moving at 30 speed, which means both motors are going to move forward. When the program starts, in this forever loop, I put the following. If the ultrasonic sensor detects an obstacle for less than 15 centimeters away, then the movement motors are going to stop moving, wait 1 second, move back for 3 centimeters, and then wait for 1 second. Then it's going to start moving at 30 and negative 30% power. What that means is it's going to keep turning until the ultrasonic sensor sees a distance in centimeters that is greater than 12. Then it's going to broadcast message 1. And then when message 1 is received, then it'll set movement motors to coast at stop, then set movement motors to A and B, and start moving at 30 speed. I've written the exact same program for the Makeblock mBot. And this is the program. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and in the future I'll be posting more videos on my experiences with new programming languages and robots, and I will compare them to the Lego Mindstorms Final Fun 5. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe right over here. Bye!